My name is Tanushya Karthik. I'm a 2-year student of Infinity Learn Online and I've enrolled for NEET 2026 exam. I've been so interested in camps and services, and it seems so wonderful to be able to help people in a field like this. So that's why I've chosen this field. And NEET's the first step for that, that's why. I felt like being able to study at home and everything is so coordinated over there. It's quite a hustle to go outside and then study in tuition centers and then come back. So I think depending upon the kind of curriculum I have at home and keeping everything in an orderly way, I think this was a good option for me. So initially it's obviously physics and chemistry and it extends till the very end. So I think these classes, they've helped me navigate according to my difficulty areas. So physics and chemistry has always been a problem for me. Biology is interesting, so that gets the job. So our teacher Priyanka ma'am, she had already told us about the boot camp, and it's actually difficult to just be a complete online student and go for the NEET examination because things get difficult over there. There's a huge difference between online tests and offline tests. So my mom, even she told me that this experience is going to be really important for you. It's going to be very helpful. So coming over here, getting the doubts cleared one-on-one, giving offline tests continuously for 7 days, and then on-spot analysis, that was really important for me. Still it is. So that's why I thought it's a good idea to join the bootcamp. It was really good. I have no words because it's helped me in all my difficulty areas. So I used to wake up around 5 o'clock in the morning, and then I'd study for 1 or 2 hours and then get ready for school, come back from school, try and revise as much as I could. During the initial months, it was really difficult to coordinate with my studies and everything and get into the zone. But from 6:30 to 8 o'clock, I had classes, and from 8 to 9:45, we used to have doubt session classes. So I used to study for about 3 hours online and about 4 to 5 hours offline. But ever since I came here, I've had to study for 12 hours continuously. But it's quite surprising that I've not got tired because of it. So everything is really coordinated, everything is slow going, it's not really fast as well. I use Infinity Learn platform for nearly everything. For doubts, I ask doubts and I get responses within a minute or so. I use the self-learn section for the videos and everything. And the animated videos make it so much more easier to understand difficult concepts. And you can always see the recordings and the notes. So whenever you want to refer back to it, it becomes easier. I'm targeting, like, if it's 700, it's really good. But since I'm slowly improving my mock test scores, above 680 for sure. I would love for that. So the Infinity Learn platform, it's really good. The teachers are top-notch. The resources, everything is seriously amazing. But it's also important that the students have to be regular from day one itself. You have to revise your concepts and take best use of whatever the platform is offering. From 12th, I have given every single IELTS except 2 or 3. So the IELTS, it's not a regular graph at all. So the first marks I got, they were pretty good. I was really happy. It was about 623. I was so proud of myself, but still I was a bit upset that I didn't reach the target. But after that, the marks started dropping a bit because that's when difficult concepts come in 12th standard. And then slowly they started to rise and then they fell again. But the questions, they are amazing. They'll make you think. So that's a really good option. And they were very helpful as well. I'd say that even till the last day before the NEET exam, you'll be so scared like anything and you'll feel as if you're not prepared for anything. But I think you should just try your best to believe till the end. Even just till the results come, you should just keep on holding on to it. Because it's really scary, especially you feel as if you're all alone. But you have a huge bunch of people who are supporting you, and you're definitely going to make it if you try.